Hey, this is Jeff from Task AGI. This process used to take hours. Now it's automated with Task AGI AI agents. Let me show you how.
Spending hours manually filling out contact forms and sending outreach emails is exhausting. You copy data from your spreadsheet, paste it into a form, hit submit, then move to the next one. It's tedious work that eats up your entire day. This AI agent changes that completely. It connects to your Google Sheets, reads each row of contact data, then automatically visits websites and fills out their forms for you. No copy pasting, no manual clicking. Just pure automation. Here's how it actually works. The agent starts by pulling data from your Google Sheet where you've listed all your outreach targets. Think company names, contact details, and your custom message. Then it kicks off a loop that processes each row one by one. For every contact, the agent uses browser automation to visit the target website. It finds the contact form using AI vision, identifies which fields need to be filled, then populates everything automatically. Name goes in the name field, email in the email field, your pitch goes in the message box. The AI is smart enough to figure out different form layouts without you having to map anything manually. After submitting each form, the agent logs the result back to your spreadsheet. It marks which submissions succeeded, which failed, and timestamps everything so you can track your outreach campaign. If you've set up Outlook integration, it can also send follow-up emails automatically. The whole system runs in the background while you focus on other work. You can process hundreds of submissions in the time it would take you to manually complete just a few. Plus, with over 200 deployments already, this template is proven and ready to use. Setting it up takes about 5 minutes. You connect your Google Sheets account, configure the browser automation, link your email if you want automated follow-ups, and you're done. The template comes pre-built so you don't need to design workflows from scratch. Ready to stop wasting time on manual form filling? Deploy this agent now and let automation handle your outreach while you focus on closing deals.